B de fun 1 première.
Ah, j'ai peur.
Why?
C'est que des légumes. It's just vegetables, yeah? I don't know, I'm scared. I'm scared it's gonna be something weird.
Et go, Philou.
Ah, it's a strawberry. It's from the amazingly simple chocolate mousse with the strawberry on top from the dessert section of Glucose Goddess Method. Mm-hmm. Arrête, I'm so scared. It's fennel, yeah? Baked fennel. Okay, this is from a beautiful veggie starter from the Veggie Starter Week. I guess I can open my eyes now. It's baked fennel. Amazing veggie starter. If you've never baked fennel, you have to start in week 3 of the Glucose Goddess Method. Je vais pas croquer ça. What? Potatoes? Oh, radishes. Yeah?
Yup.
Nice. This is another amazing veggie starter in our Veggie Starter Week. And actually, this radish recipe is a great success in families. So if you have kids, make this veggie starter and give them some of it. They will love it.
Okay, you're gonna catch it with your 2 hands.
What? Oh my god, what is this?
It's heavy.
It's heavy? Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Cauliflower. Yes, cauliflower. Another amazing veggie starter recipe. It's actually one of my first veggie starter recipes I ever made. It's inspired by an ottolenghi recipe. It's absolutely delicious. And top tip, when you roast the cauliflower, keep the leaves. They're very good once they're roasted, I promise. Trop bien, merci.